Hello, I'm Matt. Welcome to Unbearable 73. So this next video is going to be from Chills. I'm going to up the volume a touch because I thought it was a little low last time. This is Chills, 5 scary videos filmed by Doorbell camera. This was from a few months ago. I've already liked it, so let's give you guys the full screen and let's get going.
What you're looking at is Santa Clarita, California during the tick fire of 2019.
Wow.
The homeowner writes, the fire had just started and within minutes it surrounded our home.
Wow.
People were evacuated only minutes before the fire approached.
You know, I live on the east coast of the U.S. Where I live, we get really bad, like, winter weather and hurricanes occasionally and nor'easters.
Los Angeles Magazine reports
nothing like wildfires or earthquakes, though.
Acres and forced
We get an
massive
occasional
evacuation
earthquake.
of some 40,000 people. Luckily, no one was hurt in this video.
Now, I
and this
think-
family's home was miraculously saved.
I'm pretty sure that they're more panicky than the actual
Number
needed.
4.
You know, scary though. What the f?
It's everyone's worst nightmare.
It's another
A home
ninja?
intruder breaking in the middle of the night.
The dude just freaking disappeared. This is God.
That's the homeowner's voice. This homeowner said he thought one of his son's friends was trying to get into the garage.
What do you need?
But then the man came into the house.
Hey, what do you need, dude?
Sorry, I didn't mean to run into your house.
Who the f*** are you?
Crackhead.
Go it. Right.
The homeowner doesn't know how far the man entered into his house.
Yeah. I wonder what state this was in.
Back door, man.
Yo! For real?
He ran out the front door to try and cut the man off, but he was gone.
I'm not joking, dude.
Holy shit. Pause it for a second. There are some places where you do that and you're risking your life. Now, I live in New Jersey where the law makes it less likely you are going to hurt someone who breaks in your house. I guarantee you, you break into my house like that, okay, you got like 3 seconds to like say, oh my God, I need to call the cops. My girlfriend's, broke a leg in front of your house, or get out. Because I don't own any guns. I'm capable of defending myself. I have to be because of my health scenarios. So I'm going to defend myself. Now, you go to a state like Texas or Florida, you are risking your life by doing what that guy just did.
Number 3. You can probably guess that this guy's not a construction worker. He peers inside to see if anyone's home. Then he knocks again. He's looking a bit anxious. He tries to force the door. Notice he does so with a glove, no prints. Finally satisfied that the home is empty, he waves over his partner in crime. Then he calls someone on the radio.
I don't know why they're blocking his face. He's a criminal. It's a shame. People. The people have to have their homes at risk for stuff like this. You work hard for stuff, and freaking criminals.
Partner arrives.
At least they got their faces on camera.
Armed with the tools to break in. In short order, they try and force the door.
The thing is, they saw the camera, and they don't care. That's how brazen they are with getting away with this stuff.
But their plan is soon thwarted.
Get away from the door.
The homeowner was alerted on their phone and confronted the men through their doorbell camera, chasing them away. And triggering an alarm.
I would have called the cops, said, these guys are busting into my house. I see it on the doorbell camera. You can catch them right now if you get over there.
Number 2. Would you open the door if the police came dressed like this?
Fuck no.
These two suspicious men are trying to pull one over on this homeowner. They're knocking at
Ninjas.
3 in the morning.
You can see, yeah. This is either a home invasion robbery or home invasion murder waiting to happen.
When they finally speak, they claim to be from CPD or Columbus Police Department.
CPD, open up. We need to ask you a couple questions.
They look like CPD, right?
I don't think he's wearing that mask because he's sick. He tries again.
What a joke. I mean, serious issue, but like, unless you have to be an idiot to open the door.
At last, he gets an answer.
Can I help you?
CPD, we need to ask you a couple questions.
I'm sorry?
CPD, we need to ask you a couple questions. May you please step to the front door, please?
Obviously, the homeowner knows what's going on, but these guys are oblivious. They get into position.
CPD.
Yes, this is CPD. We would like you to step to the door, please.
Meanwhile, the homeowner has called the cops.
Can I see a badge?
We would like you to step to the door, please, sir. I don't have to show you my badge, sir.
Yeah, they do.
Okay, give me a second.
Okay.
According to city data, Columbus, Ohio has a crime rate 1.3 times higher than the U.S. average.
Wow. Ohio, of course.
There were 641 burglaries per 100,000 residents in 2019.
This ain't a burglary. This is a murder waiting to happen.
They try knocking again.
Yeah, they don't know the camera's there, so they want to pull
CPD,
that
open the
down.
door.
Little do they know, the real CPD is on the way.
Well, this would be convenient to have several
Finally,
large
they give
dogs.
up, and they walk away.
Let's set the hounds. Get him, boys. Get him.
Number 1. A tornado tore through Kentucky.
Holy crap.
This doorbell camera bore witness. If you don't think what you're seeing deserves the number 1 spot, then listen to this.
Yeah. Holy crap. That is just the worst. Like, I've been in some winds that are heavy, and this even exceeds that. Like, wow. I mean, that tornado was like literally like right there.
This has been Documented Reality. Thank you to these individuals for allowing me to share their story.
Now, pausing. This one was not as scary as the one where this picture was in, I'll tell you that much. But it's a good collection from Chills. You also check him out. He does some good stuff. All different stuff he does. Like he does all different sorts of scary videos. My name is Matt. It's been Unbearable 73. Have a nice day, and I am out of here.